How to make your YouTube channel to default when you sign into your Gmail account? Follow my steps. Check this box if you want to default this channel. That's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe.